I love this Aliexpress wig. Like, since I got it, today was the first day of me installing it. I love this wig. It's so beautiful. Let me tell you, I've got this wig now for a while now, yeah, but I never really had a chance to show you guys if I still have it. Like, I got this wig a long time ago. Like, when I said long, okay, I got this wig. This wig is 13 by 4. I got it for 14 inches. It's 14 inches, 13 by 4. How many density? It didn't show. It doesn't. Oh yeah, it's 180 density, and I got this for the price. I got this for 125 euros. I really loved it. I wish I would have gotten a long one, because I really love the color. It's just so beautiful. And I'm going to show you guys a video of how I install it. That video will be coming, even though it wasn't like the perfect installment showing you guys, but you guys know I always like to install my wigs behind the scenes. But you guys always want to know like how the wig looks like, how does it feel. It feels really beautiful. I really love it. It looks really nice. I love the volume. It's so soft. Of course it feels a little bit dry. I don't know, maybe because of the color, because of its bleach. They bleach the color. They kind of bleach it to give it highlighter, so it kind of feel a little bit dry. But I use my hair mousse, the Andre hair mousse. If you live in Holland, that's what I use, and I really just love it. I didn't actually play with the pattern. This is just the natural pattern it comes with. I just fixed it like this today because I was just trying to test it out to see how it looks, so I just kind of fix it like this. Definitely next time when I'm going to style it, I may just like put everything back, or just give it a side part, because you can definitely manipulate it and do other things. Shedding today was the first time it didn't shed a lot. It's just like normal. Of course, normal when the hair is new, you're just trying to get your finger through to detangle. Of course, I did have some little bit of hair came out, but it wasn't like excess shedding. So yeah, but all the hair that I got from Aliexpress, I've not really picked up a hair that is like shedding, like super shedding, like for falling out. No, because I don't really wear wigs all the time, so my hair really lasts me for longer. But I just want to come and share with you guys, some of you guys who are interested. So this is what this one look like. If you guys want to know how my wigs, all of the wigs that I've been purchasing looking on me, follow me on my beauty channel, which is amifullest beauty, because that is where I mostly come to do makeup tutorial or do outfit looks. So you guys will definitely see how this wig look on me. Let me turn back and show you guys the back. I love the volume. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to look for something like this, but then long, like long color. Maybe not the same exactly, because I already have this same, because they do have the longer version on the website. But just that I wouldn't want to have, this is what the wig look like. I wouldn't want to have the same long again, so I'm going to look for a different color. But I love the way how this one looks on this lady. So you guys can see it looks really beautiful. She's really beautiful. She's so cute. I love how the wig looks on her. So I'm definitely, maybe, I'm not sure, I'm going to be looking to see if I can find another highlight wig, but not exactly the same as this one, but a little bit longer, maybe like 24-26 inches. If I cannot find it, I may pick up this same one again, but then longer color, the long one, because I really love curly wig. Curly wig look really nice on me, and I always get compliment whenever I wear curly wig. Like, people always like, wow, it looks so nice. I don't get that compliment when I wear straight wigs. Like, I get compliment when I wear a curly wig, or when I have my hair all slick back, like my signature hairstyle. I got a lot of compliments. But yeah, you know, I just want to come and show you guys quickly. Stay tuned for the video of me showing you how I install it. And if you have any question, let me know. I'll try and leave the link of this wig for you guys in the description box. So please check the description box. It will be the first link in the description box. So please check it out. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.